everyone who is excited for our video feature for this month. I am one of our valued customers, Spectra Automotors from the automotive sector, asked us what product is best to make their job of tightening and loosening bolts faster and more efficient. And so, we could not introduce any other product other than the cordless Makita Impact Wrench. Welcome to the 5th episode of Nehmeh Knows. An impact wrench is a fastening tool that chooses a square drive where you can attach sockets to tighten and loosen bolts. Let's learn more. First, Makita Impact Wrenches have different drives for different applications. Makita Impact Wrenches are available in either a 1/2, 3/4, or 1-inch drive. With these selections at hand, there's great flexibility in making sure that your work is covered for different types of bolts. Second, Makita Impact Wrenches feature maximum fastening torque. It is highly important to consider the torque when selecting an impact wrench. Fortunately, Makita boasts of its various selection ranging from 210 Nm to 1800 Nm, all of which can give you the desired result with just a few rotations. Remember, RTA, right torque for the application. Third, it's versatile and durable. Makita Impact Wrenches can definitely be used for the automotive sector, but can also be utilized for other industries such as steel and metal structural work, oil and gas, construction, and more. It is made from high-quality materials that make it the right tool for you. So there you have it. We hope that we will see a Makita Cordless Impact Wrench at your shop too. Again, this is Shannon, your Nehmeh advisor. See you on the next episode of Nehmeh Knows.